Annissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and I am joined by my very handsome husband, Kevin, today because we wanted to give you a special invite. We wanted to be sure and invite you to come to the greatest trade show and convention that we have in our industry this September in Las Vegas, and that is the Experience Convention and Trade Show. Kevin, why should anyone come to the experience?
Well, if you're in the cleaning and restoration industry, this is a must-attend event. It's the largest trade show event of its kind. It's very family friendly. It's fun. It's in Las Vegas. It's in a great venue at Caesars. It's got a huge trade show. It's got a tremendous amount of education tracks that run throughout the conference. And we have a pre-conference workshop that we're putting on the 3rd. So when you think about it, it's really not the 4th, 5th, and 6th. It's the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, because you got to go to that workshop. And that workshop is called How to Make $100,000
Yep.
in 10 days or less.
Yep. Yes. The workshop is going to be
or more in 10 days or less. But we're going to break it down and show you how to do it by using actual case studies of scenarios that we've been in the industry over the years in 3 different types of weather events that made us in excess of $100,000 in 10 days or less. And we're going to tell you exactly how we did it.
And Kevin, I want to talk about the incredible speakers that are here at the experience. There is the most diverse, amazing panel of speakers. You can go on over to rnrmagonline.com and click on the conference and click on the experience to see everyone's bio and the lineup. Our keynotes are amazing. The education that these speakers are going to bring to you in the show is just it's amazing. In fact, for the small fee that you pay to come to the trade show and convention, you get 14 CEC credits. That's less than the cost of one class that we would normally take, like a small short 2 or 3 day class. There is an early bird special going on right now. I believe it's till August 7th. Is that right, Kevin? Where you can get a discounted rate still to be able to come. And this isn't just for business owners. This is for your project managers and your lead people, your office staff. What, Kevin?
Key people.
Absolutely. And the thing that I really think is so incredible about the experience is there is absolutely no other show in this industry anywhere that has the kind of hands-on demonstrations and interactions. You're not just sitting in a seat watching somebody do things. You literally have the opportunity to get up and do wall washing with Travis, or other aspects of different demonstrations where you can come in and actually participate and learn by doing, which is really what's key here, right? That's so huge. And it's just a lot of fun. Coming to see everybody, it's almost like we're going home to Vegas every year when we go. Kevin and I, this is one of the biggest shows that we do every year. We have gone for many years, and especially anybody watching this video that is new to the industry or thinking of getting into this industry, this is the show you need to be to. You need to come and experience what it is like to be immersed in this industry and understanding all aspects, everything from what tool to use to how to market the job, how to bill it, how to hire staff, like all of the amazing things. In fact, we're talking about that Wednesday morning, Kevin, 9 a.m. Kevin and I are going to go over hiring your great employees and great people. They're out there. They're all over. We're going to show you how you can make sure that they're part of your staff. So in recap, Kevin, when is the Experience and Trade Show?
Well, if you're smart, it starts on the 3rd. That's our pre-conference workshop. Then the 4th, 5th, and 6th. I'm gonna make a comment. I'm gonna use a baseball analogy. The wealth of speakers that are going to be showing up here, and I know most of them personally, the bench is deep. There are hundreds of years of experience to tap into with myriad different aspects of your business to improve your success in your business by listening to these people. It's almost hard to get to them all. There's so many to choose from, and I would not miss this. This is not your father's experience. This is a whole new show. We've got people and we've got events and we've got demonstrations and we've got education like none other. And it just keeps getting better and better. I've heard people that haven't been in 10 years are coming because they've heard how much better the experience is coming up here in the fall. So, I mean, and you get 14 CEC credits for the price of about $27 a credit. Where are you going to get that anywhere
Right.
else? That's
Exactly.
in a nutshell. And then it's Las Vegas, baby. It's a fun place to play, and you get to
Oh,
hang out with a lot of great people and network and learn
yes.
and get to know people and expand your business acumen. I don't know why. What are you waiting for? Go
Yeah.
sign up. Let's go.
Exactly. Head on over to rnrmagonline.com. Be sure and click on the conference and events button and be sure and click on over and get registered prior to the August 7th early bird cutoff date. Be sure and register for the workshop as well. And at the opening cocktail reception, which we get once we register, be sure and come find Kevin and I. Travis will be with us as well. Come find us, say hi. We'd love to meet you. And we look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas in September.
See you there.